I am going to teach you class 9th ICSE and English language. The chapter is conditional sentences. Now, open your books to study and find the chapter conditional sentences. Listen and watch in your books very carefully. Conditional sentences. At the heading indicates the sentences have related to some conditions are called conditional sentences. To study this chapter properly, you must know about the tenses. As you know, there are three kinds of tenses. For example, present tense, past tense, and future tense. To study conditional sentences, we require some more knowledge about sentences. These conditional sentences are related to some conditions in which two or more sentences are joined together, such as if you do so you will get it. For example, अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो पास होगे. These types of conditions are uh, related to these sentences. So first of all, you must know about conditions. There are many kinds of conditions we put in our social life with our youngsters, with our parents, etc. So, to study these some conditional sentences, we must know clearly, very clearly about tenses. For example, a condition, look at the blackboard. A condition is something that has to be fulfilled before something can happen. It means a condition, कोई शर्त. A condition is something, condition वो चीज़ होती है that has to be fulfilled, जिसको पूरा करना होता है. यानी कंडीशन वो एक ऐसी शर्त है जिसको पूरा करना होता है before something can happen, कुछ होने से पहले. For example, I have given you this example. If you work hard, you will pass. Then, if it rains, if the rain stops, we will play. So there is a condition. If the rain stops, means अगर बारिश रुक जाती है तो. If the rain stops, then what will we do? We will play. Then this condition will be fulfilled. तब हम खेलेंगे. If the rain stops, we will play. So first sentence, if clause has condition and its result depend on the second part of the sentence. So if it rains, if the rain stops, we will play. These are two things. First sentence, first clause has condition and its effect goes on the second sentence. So to study it more clearly, we can say that in our social life there are three types of conditions, according to these conditions there are three types of conditional sentences. We will study it separately one by one. So set your mind over here. The first condition is type 1. Type 1, if it is formed, the sentence is formed, then we should apply if plus present tense plus will. These are very important condition. If plus present tense plus will. It means if our conditional sentence, if our condition is in present tense, then in the second class will be used. For example, if you work hard, you will pass. Look at it. If you work hard. If you work hard. What kind of sentence is this? This is present tense. The work shows this. This is present tense. If the if clause is in present tense, then the second clause in second class will be used. Okay. So if you work hard, you will pass. So here in the second class will be used if the first condition is in present tense. Okay. Now come at the second category of conditional sentences, in which if clause in past tense. Then what will you do? In the first type of sentence, we told you if the conditional sentence is in present tense, then will be used in the second class. Now in second type of condition, first we will use if, then simple past, then would, like this. If the conditional sentence is in past tense, simple past, then first of all we start with if, then simple past, and then in the second clause would will be used in place of will. Okay. For example, if you worked hard, notice it very carefully. If you work hard, you will pass. In this sentence, you can notice worked. In the first sentence, there was work. That shows present tense. But in the second sentence, second type of sentence, in place of work, we used worked. Second form of the verb. That shows past tense. Okay. Then what will happen to the second clause? Then would will be used in place of will. In the present tense, I told you to use will. Okay. Now in the second category, in the second type of sentence, we will use would in place of will. Is it clear, students? Try to understand it again. If you worked hard, you would pass. First part shows past tense. Then in second part, would will be used in place of will. Okay. Now come at the third stage, type 3 sentences, in which first of all we use if, then past perfect tense. It means you must have clear knowledge of past perfect tense. That is had plus third form of the verb. Having, had plus third form of the subject. Then plus would have. We will use would have in the second part. Listen it carefully. First of all, we will use if, then past perfect tense. If the condition is in the past tense, past perfect tense, then would have will be used. For example, if you had worked hard, Notice it carefully. If you had worked, what does it show? Had worked. Had and third form of the verb. It shows past perfect tense. Okay? If the conditional sentence is in past perfect tense, then what will happen to the second part? You should use would have, would and have. Okay? Would have in the second part in place of will or would. So please notice these differences among the three types of sentences. In the third type, if past perfect tense, then would have. If you had worked hard, you would have passed. So you have to notice all these three conditions. I repeat them again. In the first type of sentences, first of all we use if, then present tense, then will. In the second type of sentences, if the condition is in past tense, then if, then simple past means second form of the verb, then would. And in third type of sentences, if, then past perfect tense that contain had plus third form of the verb plus would have. Okay? For example, if you had worked hard, you would have passed. So notice these differences: work, second type worked, and third type had worked. These differences you will have to notice. In the second part, first type will, second type would, and in third type would have both. Okay? Now I will give you assignment. You have to do these three types of sentences as assignment is given in your book. So you will have to do it. Okay? That's all. Thank you.